how to change your name on Facebook PC. So let's get started. First thing first, open any web browser on your PC and search for the Facebook website in search address bar. Once you reach on the Facebook website, make sure to log into your account. And once logged in, tap on the profile icon available in the top right corner of your screen and a drop-down menu will appear. From there, tap on the settings and privacy. Once you're inside the settings and privacy, tap on the settings. Then tap on the accounts center option available from the left slide bar. Then once you're inside the accounts center, tap on the profile. And from profile, choose your Facebook profile and continue with the process. There you will get to see the name option available. Tap on it. Once you tap on it, you will get to edit your name and tap on the change option available there and it will be changed. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.